Hello dear students, hello dear friends. Today we are going to study the Pythagoras theorem and example based on it. So this video is made for only semi-English and English medium students who are studying in 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th standard. So this Pythagoras theorem is based on only right angle triangle. So here I have shown the diagram of right angle triangle. In this triangle, it having three sides. So the first side is side AB. It also called as height. It also called as perpendicular. The second side is side BC, called as base, and third side AC, called as hypotenuse. As well as it having three angles: angle A, angle B, and angle C. Suppose among these three angles, one angle is 90 degree, then such triangle we call right angle triangle. So here you can see angle B is 90 degree, that means it is right angle. This right angle is made by two sides, and that two sides are side AB and the second side is side BC. So now we are going to study the formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. So look here in the diagram, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. So it can also be written as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we are going to study the example based on this formula. The first example, AB is equal to 3 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, and we have to find the value of AC. So now we put the value in diagram. So look here, AB is 3 cm. So here you can see the value of AB given is 3 cm. BC is 4 cm. So value of BC is written here 4 cm. And we have to find AC, that means question mark we can see here. So the value of AC we have to find. In this type of example, they have given the values of height and base. We have to find here the value of hypotenuse. So first of all, you have to write the formula. See, look here, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AC square is equal to, now here you have to put the value of AB, and the value of AB is 3 cm, so write here 3, plus the value of BC given is 4 cm, so write here 4. Now the second step will become AC square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Therefore, AC square is equal to, the square of 3 is 3 3s are 9, plus, and the square of 4 is 4 4s are 16. Therefore, AC square is equal to 9 plus 16, we get here 25. AC square value we get 25, but we have to find the value of AC, not AC square. So in the next step, you see here that I have removed the square from here, is equal to, and put the square root sign above 25. Square root of 25 is equal to square root 5 into 5. Therefore, AC is equal to, now square root of 25 is 5. So we get the answer AC is equal to 5 cm. So here we find the value of AC, and that is 5 cm. Now we'll see the second type of example which may be asked in exam. So BC is given 4 cm. So here you can see the value of BC 4 centimeter. AC is given 5 centimeter. So AC is 5 centimeter. And here in this example you have to find the value of AB. That means they had given the value of hypotenuse and base, and we have to find here value of height. So again write the formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or you can write hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. I have written the formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now here in the second step you have to put the value of AC. Now what is the value of AC here? So the value of AC is 5 centimeter. So written here 5. 5 square is equal to AB square. I have written AB as it is plus as it is because we have to find the value of AB. The value of AB is not given, and the value of BC is given here 4 centimeter. So write here 4 square. Now the second step will become 5 square is equal to AB square plus 4 square. In the third step, what is the square of 5? The square of 5 is 5 5s are 25. So write here 25 is equal to AB square plus square of 4. 4 4s are 16. Now look carefully. Now the fourth step, you have to do one thing here. This plus 16 is on the right side of the equal mark. You have to take this plus 16 on the left side of equal mark. When changing the side, you also have to change the sign. This plus sign into minus sign. So the step will become 25 minus 16 is equal to, now you can see here on the right side of equal sign only remains AB square. So I have written here only AB square. Now in the next step you have to do one thing, that you have to change both the side at a time. That means AB, which is on the right side of the equal sign, you have to write it on left side, and 25 minus 16, which is on the left side, write it on the right side of the equal mark. So AB square is equal to 25 minus 16. We get here, after subtracting 25 minus 16, we get here 9. Now AB square value we get 9, but we have to find AB, not AB square. Now in the next step you have to do one thing, remove this square from here. AB is equal to, and put a square root mark above the 9 or on the top of the 9. So here you get AB is equal to under square root 9. That means under square root 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Therefore AB is equal to square root of 9. We get here 3 centimeter. We get the value of AB, that is 3 centimeter. Now we are going to study the example number 3, which may be asked in exam. In this example they are given the value of AB, that is 3 centimeter. So you can look here, the value of AB is 3 centimeter. The value of AC given is 5 centimeter, and the value of BC we have to find. In this third type of example, the value of hypotenuse and the value of height is given, and we have to find here the value of base. So as usual you have to write first formula, that is hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square, or you can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. See, I have written here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now what is the value of AC? The value of AC is given 5 and value of AB is given here 3. So right here instead of AC you have to write 5 square is equal to, instead of AB you have to put the value of it, and that is 3 square plus BC square, right as it is, because we have to find the value of BC. Okay. Now, what is the square of 5? So, square of 5 is 5 5 is 25. That is equal to square of 3. 3 3 is 9 plus BC square. Now, again look carefully. This plus 9 which is on the right side of the equal mark, you have to take it on the left side of the equal sign. So, and also you have to change its plus sign to the minus sign. So, the next step will become 25 minus 9, that is equal to remain here only BC square on the right side of the equal sign. So, write here only BC square. Now, turn both the side or change both the side at a time. So, this BC square which is on the right side, you have to take it on the left side, and 25 minus 9, write it on the right side of the equal sign. So, after subtracting this, we get the answer here 16. So, BC square value we get 16. We have to find here the value of BC. So, again remove the square from BC square, this remove the 2 from here, and that is equal to under square root 16. Write here square roots mark on the 16. So, square root of 16 means square root 4 into 4. Therefore, BC is equal to, now square root of 16 is 4 4s are 16. So, write here 4 centimeter. So, we get here the value of BC, and that is 4 centimeter. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you very much.